Welcome to Bitcoin Forecasting Lab. Every week we analyze the market and forecast Bitcoin's weekly closing price. A new projection is here, and the model is showing a bullish signal. In the video, we'll review the forecast level, probability, signal strength, and the statistical features shaping this week's projection. This week's, the 35th week of 2026, statistical forecast favors a weekly Bitcoin close above $73,847.30. Across 435 weeks of historical observations, this signal category has performed with an 84.15% success rate. We'll compare the forecast with the actual market result at the end of the week, on August 30th, 2026. Let's now assess the previous Bitcoin weekly forecast using the observed market data. The forecast for last week, the 34th week of 2026, indicated a higher probability of Bitcoin closing above $59,755. The actual weekly close on August 23, 2026 came in at $77,734, according to Binance data. Forecast confirmed. This observation has now been added to the model's historical data set. Moving on, here's how the model behind this week's Bitcoin price prediction has been performing recently. The previous Bitcoin weekly forecast above $59,755 has been confirmed, marking the 8th consecutive successful result in the current sequence. The model's historical record shows a maximum winning streak of 29 consecutive correct forecasts. The average streak is 5.24 successful forecasts, according to data from 435 weeks of observations. You can find the complete statistics by following the link in the video description. The question remains open. Will the model be able to add another successful forecast to this sequence? Before we move to this week's Bitcoin forecast features, here's a brief overview of the research behind our Bitcoin weekly forecasting model. Based on Bitcoin weekly market data from Binance since 2018, includes 52 independent calculations, shows improved probability, and reduces the length of losing streaks compared to historical and random data. Published in a peer-reviewed academic journal, a DOI is provided. Indexed in Scopus, Web of Science, and more than 30 additional academic databases. Developed by a university-affiliated PhD in economics and a quantitative analyst. Links can be found in the video description. Moving on, let's take a closer look at this week's Bitcoin prediction signal and its underlying features. The forecasting process begins with 52 independent model calculations. After statistical filtering, 7 remain relevant for this week's projection. All 7 of these selected calculations favor a bullish outcome, producing a strong consensus. Whether this statistical advantage translates into an accurate market forecast will become clear at the end of the trading week. Subscribe if you'd like to follow each new weekly Bitcoin projection and the long-term performance of the forecasting model. Please remember that this channel documents an ongoing statistical research project and does not provide financial advice. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.